Running a jewelry brand online means balancing creativity with precision, especially in managing styles, materials, and stock. Manual spreadsheets and instinctive forecasts often lead to sellouts or excess. That's why we built our demand planning tool, designed to bring structure and accuracy to growing jewelry businesses. This walkthrough will showcase how our demand planning tool connects to your data, generates accurate forecasts, converts them into actionable demand plans, manages inventory and BOM complexity, and automates purchase orders, helping jewelry brands stay perfectly stocked across every collection cycle. In this video, we'll answer the questions about the functionality of our demand planning tool. These questions relate to your business challenges, and at the same time, they give you an overview of the core capabilities of the tool. How do we achieve reliable prediction? We use 24 to 48 months of SKU history, depending on the nature of business, so that seasonality and promo patterns are captured. Forecasts run monthly and produce a 12-month horizon for each SKU. Each SKU carries a prediction confidence label, high, medium, low, based on validation metrics, so planners know where to manually review versus trust automation. Our forecasting engine is a robust Ceramax model, seasonal ARIMA with exogenous regressors, coupled with AI agents utilizing state-of-the-art LLM models. We validate on holdout months and track MAPE/WAPE at the category as well as SKU level. Diagnostics and model metrics are written back to the data warehouse for audit and improvement. How do we align with marketing events and promotions? The tool uses the 4-4-5 retail calendar. Promotions are tagged to retail months and passed into the model as exogenous flags. The model uses those flags so lift in demand appears in the correct retail period for buying decisions. How do we manage BOMs? The tool supports multi-level BOMs. For each finished output SKU, it lists required input SKUs across BOM levels, then consolidates demand across purchasable SKUs so procurement sees one aggregated by quantity per SKU. How do we track lead time, preferred vendor, minimum order quantity, unit cost price? We derive lead time from historical purchase orders or PO records as the average days between PO creation and receipt. Supplier mappings store lead time, preferred vendor, MOQ, and unit cost price. These values feed the PO recommendations, so suggested buys are accurate. How do we manually override predicted forecasts? Planners can apply a plus or minus scale factor percentage across categories or for any specific SKUs, over and above the model-generated prediction. The sheet recalculates demand immediately and logs user, scope, and timestamp. How do we turn forecasts into buy plans? A fine-tuned AI agent utilizing state-of-the-art LLM model takes predictive sales forecasts, scale factors, manual overrides, safety stock, target week of sales, lead time, MOQ, preferred vendor, on order quantities, and makes buy planning recommendations. How do we generate and execute POs? Once the final buy recommendations are approved, the buy planner can push draft POs to ERP with a single click. Draft POs are logged with a timestamp and a user ID. How are the predictions, manual overrides, and placed purchase orders tracked? All the predictions, manual overrides, and placed purchase orders are logged with the user and timestamp, and require an optional reason. How do we track sales data near real-time? The tool connects to your ERP data warehouse. Scheduled data pipeline/ETL jobs pull sales, returns, inventory positions, and open POs multiple times a day, and the last refresh timestamp is displayed. You can also run ad hoc refreshes. This near real-time sales data is displayed against the monthly predictions. How do we measure stock health? Inventory planning shows quantity on hand, open PO quantity, expected end-of-period inventory, and weeks of supply. Set any target WOS, and the sheet computes the quantity needed to meet it. How do we monitor SKU performance? Sales velocity compares actual sales to the monthly forecast and flags SKUs as underperforming, on target, or overperforming. Flags appear in the planner and suggest actions. Investigate, pause replenishment, or accelerate orders. How do we track on order purchase data? Open purchase orders are read from the ERP data warehouse and displayed with status. When calculating quantity needed, the tool subtracts inbound quantities in confirmed or processing states to avoid double orders. After pushing POs, the open PO fields update automatically in the sheet. How to choose the buying cadence. Decide on buying cadence by lead time and SKU type. Core products typically maintain higher weeks of supply and steady reorders. Seasonal items use short, focused buys around promotions. The sheet supports both approaches. What outcomes should you expect? Reduced stockouts as well as overstocking, lower days of inventory, faster procurement cycles, and less time spent reconciling spreadsheets. The tool brings forecasting, material planning, and automated POs together in one seamless flow. If your jewelry business still runs on spreadsheets or intuition, this is the smarter way to plan demand with confidence. To see this tool in action, just reach out to Carl.Uretsky at lindsayhatcher.com. We'd be happy to walk you through a demo tailored to your business needs.